In this video, I will show you how to add someone to a call on Microsoft Teams. So in order to do that, you first need to head over and then join a call on Microsoft Teams. For example, let's try to open in here an audio call. Now on this audio call, I have in here with 4 participants. So what you can do is you can just wait for this call to actually went through. And as you can see, it will ring those people. You can head over and then join this call. So let's try to join this call. So once you have joined out call, you should be able to see in there a plus icon. Another option that you can do is onto your meeting detail. You can head over and click onto these 3 dots or to this meeting details right here and add in here a person that you want to actually join the call. So it's actually relatively easy. You can just head over and then click on any which one of this right here. Just click onto this add people option and then add in here an email of that person that you want to add. And then from in there, just head over and then click onto this add option in order to add them to this conversation, and they should be able to have an option to join the call. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.